In this problem, we have to find the value of x which satisfies this equation, that is 4 to power x plus 2 to power x equals to 1. To solve this equation, first we will simplify this side of the equation, which is, as we know that 1 is also equals to 1 to power n equals to always 1. So this one can also be written as 1 to power x. So this equation simplified to 4 to power x plus 2 to power x equals to 1 to power x. To further simplify this equation, we will divide each term by 4 to power x. Divide by 4 to power x, 4 to power x, 4 to power x. This will cancel to 1. So this equation will simplify to 1 plus 2 to power x divided by 4 to power x equals to 1 to power x divided by 4 to power x. We also know the exponential rule, which is a to power m divided by b to power m can be written as a upon b to power m. After applying this rule, this equation becomes 1 plus 2 divided by 4 to power x equals to 1 divided by 4 to power x. So here it becomes 1 by 2, and 4 is also equals to 2 to power 2. So the equation becomes 1 plus 1 upon 2 to power x equals to 1 upon 2 power 2 to power x. We know the exponential rule, which is a to power m bracket power n equals to a to power n bracket power m. By applying this rule, this equation becomes 1 plus 1 by 2 to power x equals to 1 upon 2 to power x bracket square. Now, to simplify and solve this equation, let's assume 1 by 2 to power x equals to y. So this equation becomes 1 plus y equals to y square. Move to this side, it becomes y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So it is being simplified to another quadratic equation of second degree. So we have to find the value of y by solving this quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So for this quadratic equation, the value of y comes as y equals to, here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 1. So y comes minus b is plus 1 plus minus square root, b is minus 1, so minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1 multiply c is minus 1 divided by 2 multiply a equals to 1. So y equals to 1 plus minus square root, 1 square is 1 minus 4 multiply 1 is 4 multiply minus 1 is plus, so this becomes plus 4 divided by 2. So y comes, y equals to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2, that is equals to square root of 5 equals to 2.23. So it becomes 1 plus minus 2.23 divided by 2. So y comes 1 plus 2.23 divided by 2, or 1 minus 2.23 divided by 2. So value of y comes equals to 1.61 or minus 0.61. As we assume that 1 by 2 to power x equals to y, take log on both sides, so it becomes x log 1 by 2 equals to log y. X log 1 by 2 equals to, we have two options for y, that is 1.61 and minus 1.61. So it becomes log 1.61 or log minus 0.61. So x comes log 1.61 divided by log 1.2 is log 0.5 or log minus 0.61 divided by log 0.5, which comes x is equals to log 1.61 equals to 0.20 and log 0.5 equals to minus 0.30. And here log minus 0.61 comes as a complex number. So here x comes 0.20 divided by minus 0.30, which comes x equals to minus 0.66. So this is the answer for x, which is going to satisfy this equation.